What's going on, everyone? Whoa, wrong channel. What's going on, everyone? We are back with the top 150 interview questions, reverse word in a string. Before we do that, let's see what people are saying in the solutions tab comment section. We have sir, so not a cat this time. Let's see what we got here. So I'm not reading all that. Good approach, but this problem must be solved by 2 pointers, bro. Let's code, not meaning efficiency. Trim and split equals downvote. Daggone, people are not liking this code. I didn't realize the coding community is so, can be toxic. It's like the YouTube community. So we're gonna copy and paste this program into our chat. We already copied it. This is named the problem today, reverse word and string. We got the constraints, examples, but we're gonna let chat do all that stuff and make it make sense to us and get a thumbnail out of it.
Problem summary, simple language. We need to reverse the order of words in a given sentence. A word is any sequence of characters that doesn't include spaces. Ignore extra spaces. Remove leading and trailing spaces. Reduce multiple spaces between words to just one space. Return the reverse sentence with only one space separating the words. Examples: 1. Input, the sky is blue. Output, blue is sky the. 2. Input, hello world. Output, world hello. Leading and trailing spaces are removed. 3. Input a good example. Output example good A. Extra spaces between words are reduced to just one. Would you like the story to follow a game or an anime?
I think today we're gonna go with anime. Look at that, we spelled it right.
The Wandering Poet's last message. In a quiet village nestled between misty mountains, there lived a wandering poet known for his mysterious, enchanting verses. Legend had it that he left behind a coded farewell, a message so profound it would unveil the secrets of life's meaning. The message was hidden in a long, jumbled string of words written hastily on a scroll. The young scholar Akira, renowned for his brilliant mind, took up the challenge. As Akira unrolled the scroll, he realized the message was scrambled, filled with unnecessary gaps and chaos. To decode it, Akira had to reverse the order of the words, clean the chaos, and reveal the final verse of the wandering poet. Solution in Java. Akira set to work, writing down the code that would clear the confusion and reveal the poet's final message. Java class solution, public string reverse word string s. Trim leading and trailing spaces and split words by spaces. String words equals s.trim, split s plus. Use string builder to reverse the order of words. String builder reverse message equals new string builder. For int I words.lengths 1, I equals 0 I, reverse message.append words I, if I, reverse message.append. Site return the final cleaned and reversed message, return reverse message.toString. Chat how it works. 1. Trim and split. Trim removes leading and trailing spaces. Split divides the sentence into words, ignoring extra spaces between them. 2. Reversing words. Start from the last word and append each word to a string builder. Add a single space between words. 3. Final output. The string builder contains the cleaned and reversed message. Hack example walkthrough. Input, a good example. 1. After trimming and splitting, a good example. 2. Reversing, example, good A. Akira's victory. As Akira finished writing the code, the scroll revealed the poet's final words. In chaos, clarity is born. In endings, new beginnings await. The village celebrated Akira's brilliance, and his name became legend, passed down as the one who unraveled the wandering poet's enigma. Would you like to create a thumbnail for this story?
That's not even a word. Yes, that's not a word, but it's still new. These language models, they don't get confused with stuff like that. That is fire. That is fire. Oh my gosh. It's missing the LeetCode and it's missing the title. Woo. All right, copy the code, put it into our editor, see if it works. Y'all know the drill. Chat did it again. Zigzag conversations. Stay tuned to the next one. Peace.